Welcome to G Math tutorial. Now today consider the example in question 1 G. The question is, if a pair coin is tossed 3 times, then find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads. If in solution, if a pair coin is tossed 3 times, then we get a set S is HHH, HHT, THH, HTH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. That is, number of element in S is denoted by n of S is equal to 8. Now, if A is getting exactly 2 heads, then consider the element in S which contains exactly 2 heads, that are HHT, THH, HTH. And number of element in A is 3, so n of A is equal to 3. Now the probability of getting exactly 2 heads is n of A upon n of S, that is 3 by 8 is equal to 0.375. That is, probability of getting exactly 2 heads is 0.375. This is the required solution. Thank you for watching.